Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with some exciting news. I actually did hit 5,000 followers on my Instagram this week, so as a huge thank you to everybody on Instagram, I thought I would do a giveaway, and I wanted to let you people on YouTube to have a chance to go over to my Instagram and check it out and get a chance to enter the giveaway. All the rules is basically you're going to have to follow me on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. All links are down below in the description box for all my accounts. And then on Instagram, I'd like it if you would copy or share the post that's on Instagram and hashtag me in. So if you go over to my Instagram, all the rules and everything will be on there. But I just wanted to share with everybody what's going to be in the actual giveaway. So first of all, I've just done several, I think it's about 20 nail forms in there for the NSI, for the stiletto nails. I've got the boring bits out of the way really, it's all in a box, so I'll just grab whatever. For anybody who's wanted to try out these dental bibs for your monomer, then I'm putting a few of those in. And because of COVID and everything, even though I'd used these way before COVID, I'm putting in some of the self-seal sterilising pouches. And then I've got a few of these little pots that I've got from Amazon, AliExpress, with just little gems and beads and pearls and stuff in there. There's a set of essential nails, nail art brushes. Got a easy flow buffing nail buffer and just a normal buffer. Let's get this out of the way. It's not that easy, guys. Then just got a emery buds / nail file, and then I thought there's another one of them actually, and I thought I'd give you one of each of the grits of the nail files I actually use from TNBL. I really recommend those files. Now these is a funny story. I got these out of the crafts section, out of the range, but unfortunately they didn't quite work for me because I found the colours bled, but maybe somebody else could work around them not bleeding or whatever, so I was going to chuck them away, and then I thought, you know what, let's throw them in here because someone might do, and if they want to chuck them away then that's fine, I'll give them to some kiddie, but the tubs will come in handy anyway. And then we've got some of these, like what I call like polo circles. I really like these, the chameleon, it's really, really pretty. Then we've got a Licente Stardust Glitter in Luna. And then we've got a Licente Tangerine Iridescent Glitter. This is one of my favourites from Licente, which is Hunter. We've got another Stardust, it's Mars. And then we've got a glitter Licente brush from a glitter brush from Licente. We've got a couple of bags of these nail pops. So everyone needs nail pops all the time. Then we've got a Licente foil in bright silver. Then we've got a Licente foil in oil slick. It's probably my favourite foil from them. There in the peacock one, but I didn't have a spare peacock one, I'm very sorry. Then we've got just an ordinary nail brush. And then we have a unicorn nail brush. And then we've got a few of these sheets of what they're called, transfers, whatever. I don't know what they're quite called. I can't think of the name. I'm sure you know what I mean, what they are. I can see what they are. And then we've got a stamping plate book. And then we've got this book from AliExpress that I used to put water decals in, but you can put whatever you want in. It is actually meant to be for photos. And then we've got a couple of striping tapes, a gold and a pink one. And then we've got numerous stickers. Then we've got a red carpet removal kit. And we've got more stickers, more stickers. And then there's more stickers there. And we've got a couple of stamping plates that was from Shein. And then we've got some nail files from Shein. And some more nail files from Shein. I had to get these. I bought these especially for this giveaway and this snake print, just because snake print's huge at the minute. But I thought these were super cute and I'd love to see whoever wins it, see what they come up with using those. And then we've got just one of these normal pencil things. Then we've got some caption polishes. This is what I use for stamping. And there's 3 in there, pink, gold, and I don't know if that's a black or a blue or it's a dark colour, whatever it is. Oh, it might be even purple. Hold on tight. I think it's a purple. In there. And then we've got this art screen from Young Nails as well, and you get 2 art screens in there. One with the letters, which is massive at the minute, and then lots of different ones there. And you also got a scraper and a caption picker-upper, stamper, blah blah, whatever you want to call them. So that's like a full-on kit. Then then we have a foil gel from Neo Nails. If anyone's been watching my channel, you'll know I've absolutely fell in love with this. This and the matte top coat. I was going to put a matte top coat in, but you can only send 4 polishes at the same time, so I'll save the matte top coat for a different giveaway. So, and then I decided I've got to share some of Tease Beauty. Again, if you've all been following me, you know how much I've fallen in love with this product. Not because I'm a brand ambassador. I felt the products before I was a brand ambassador, and I love them. So I wanted to give my winner a chance to actually win and try them out for themselves, and they can see themselves how good these products are. So we've got a tangerine acrylic coloured. We've got tangerine coloured acrylic, and then we've got cotton candy coloured acrylic. Then we've got apple in coloured acrylic, and then we've got high vis, which is one of my all-time favourites, coloured acrylic. And I'm going for like the summer colours because obviously summer's just around the corner. And then we've got like these green, white, lemony dots, which I kind of thought was Easter. So really pretty. And then we've got the lavender shards. These are awesome as well. And then we've got one of the cream fields, which is from the festival collection. And then we've got rhubarb from the sorbet collection. And we've got Gaia. I think this is from the fine or the fine metallics. I can't remember. I'm really testing me now with my products. And then we've got the Leo in the mixed glitters. So yes guys, if you want to win all of this goodies, then please go and follow me over onto Instagram and see what the rules and everything are. And again, thank you for your support on here, and I will do a giveaway on here when I hit 5k on here, but I'm quite far away from that, so it won't be anytime soon. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this, and please comment, subscribe, and thank you all again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.